ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। स्वरादिनिपातम् अव्ययम्
स्वरादिनिपातम् अव्ययम्
तद्धितश्चासर्वविभक्तिः
तद्धितश्च सर्वविभक्तिः
कृन्मेजन्तः
कृन्मेजन्तः
त्वात्तोऽसुन् कसुनः
त्वातोऽसुन्कसुनः
अव्ययी भावश्च
अव्ययी भावश्च
एतानि पञ्चसूत्राणि अव्यय सम्बन्धीनि सूत्राणि। स्वरादिनिपातम् अव्ययम्। स्वरादिशब्दरूपाणि निपातः निपाताः च अव्ययसंज्ञकानि भवन्ति। स्वरादिगणे ये शब्दाः वर्तन्ते तेषाम् अव्ययसंज्ञा तथा निपातः। निपातः प्राग्रीश्वरा निपाताः इति अस्मिन् अधिकारे 1456 अधिकारसूत्रं प्राग्रीश्वरा निपाताः। तत्र निपाताः तथा निपातसंज्ञक अव्यय शब्दाः वर्तन्ते। निपाताः निपातमिति स्वरादिनिपातं सूत्रेण अव्ययम्। के निपाताः इति पृच्छेत् प्राग्रीश्वरा निपाताः इति सूत्रे निपाताः इति वर्तन्ते संज्ञा 1456 अधिकारे 97 सूत्रपर्यन्तं ये शब्दाः अत्र उच्यते ते सर्वे निपातसंज्ञकाः। निपातत्वात् अव्ययसंज्ञा संज्ञकशब्दाः इति। स्वरादिगणा शब्द दृष्टमेव अस्माभिः। बहवः शब्दाः वर्तन्ते। चिन्तयामि सर्वान् शब्दान् वयं दृष्टवन्तः। निपातविषये द्रष्टव्यं। तद्विषये अनन्तरं पश्यामः। मया किञ्चित् कार्यं कृतम्। अत्र मञ्जुषारूपेण 157 छादय सत्त्वे 158 इति, किन्तु न समाप्तम् अभवत्। अनन्तरं तद्विषये निपातविषये पश्यामः। निपाताः अव्ययाः अव्ययसंज्ञकाः भवन्ति इति ज्ञातव्यम्। अनन्तरं तद्धितश्च असर्वविभक्तिः, तद्विषये अद्य पश्यामः। तद्धित प्रत्ययान्तशब्दाः अव्ययसंज्ञकाः भवन्ति। तद्धितः इत्युक्ते किम्? तद्धिताः इति बहुवचनं। तद्धिताः इति अधिकारसूत्रं वर्तते। तद्धिताः इति चतुर्थ अध्याये प्रथमपादे चिन्तयामि 4176 तदेव तद्धित अधिकारं। तद्धित अधिकारसूत्रं 4176 तद्धिताः। तद्धिताः इत्युक्ते किम्? तस्य हितं तद्धितं। कस्य हितं? वैयाकरणस्य हितं। तदितः इति अधिकारसूत्रम्। इतः परं स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम हियर पंचमाध्यायस्य अत्र आरभ्य चतुर्थ अध्यायस्य प्रथम पादात् पादतः पंचम इतः परं पंचमाध्यायस्य समाप्तिपर्यन्तम् अन्तिमसूत्रपर्यन्तं ये प्रत्ययाः उच्यन्ते ते तदितसंज्ञकाः भवन्ति। यदा पश्यतु, लोक इति शब्दः अस्ति, तस्य तदितरूपं लौकिक। वेद इति शब्दः अस्ति, तस्य तदितरूपं वैदिक। तद्वत् धर्म धार्मिक। पाणिनीय, व्याकरणं वैयाकरणं। ग्राम ग्रामीण, दशरथ दाशरथी, गर्ग गार्ग्य इति तदित शब्दाः वर्तन्ते। अत्र पाणिना तद्धित शब्दस्य व्याख्या न दीयते। पाणिनिमहर्षिणा तद्धितः कः इति न उच्यते, किन्तु शास्त्रे अस्य शब्दस्य अर्थः वर्तते एव। तेभ्यः इताः, तेभ्यः इत्युक्ते वैयाकरणेभ्यः इत्युक्ते प्रयोगेभ्यः, इन यूसेज। इताः उपकारिणः, इट इज मच यूजफुल इन यूसेज, इट इज प्रयोगे। प्रयोग समर्थाः, प्रयोगार्थम् उपयुक्ताः सन्ति। प्रयोजने माधुर्यं लाघवं च आगच्छति। There is some laghava, easy, and madhuryam, some sweetness is there. Yata guroho bhavaha, the status of being heavy guru, gauravaha iti. So laghavam madhuryam cha agachit tesham prayogena. Teva tatitaha. Kati pratyaha santi asmin adhikare? 281 pratyaha patitaha. Teshu केचन प्रत्ययाः सन्ति, तेन अव्ययं सम्भवन्ति। तदेव तद्धितश्च सर्वविभक्तिः इति सूत्रेण उक्तम्। अतः तद्धितः इति प्रत्ययः, तद्धिताः इति प्रत्ययाः वर्तन्ते। अनन्तरं तद्धितः विषये अन्य एकसूत्रमपि ज्ञातव्यम्। 4182 समर्थानां प्रथमाद्वा, मुख्य सूत्रमेतदपि। समर्थानां प्रथमाद्वा समर्थेषु पदेषु, समर्था इत्युक्ते समर्थेषु पदेषु यः प्रथमः तस्मात् तद्धित प्रत्ययः विकल्पेन विधीयते। समर्थानां प्रथमाद्वा, उदाहरणार्थं पश्यतु, तस्य अपत्यं वर्तते। तस्य इति तस्य अपत्यम् इति एकं सूत्रमस्ति। यथा दशरथस्य अपत्यं दाशरथिः, कुन्त्याः अपत्यं कौन्तेय, सौमित्र्याः अपत्यं सुमित्रायाः अपत्यं सौमित्री इति। अदितेः पुत्रः आदित्यः, दितेः पुत्रः दैत्यः इति तदितशब्दाः येन सूत्रेण सम्भवन्ति। तस्य अपत्यम् अस्मिन् सूत्रे तस्य इति प्रथमशब्द समर्थानां प्रथमाद्वा अत्र इति समर्थेषु शब्देषु यः प्रथमः उच्चार्यते अत्र प्रथम प्रथमशब्दः वर्तते तस्य, सः एषः शब्दः एव प्रथमः उच्चार्यते। उपस्थितेषु सर्वेषु समर्थेषु पदेषु यः प्रथमः उच्चार्यते तस्य एव प्रथमः इति शब्देन निर्दिश्यते तस्य। अतः तस्य तथा अपत्यम् एतयोः सम्बन्धः, अन्वयः सम्बन्धः, समर्थः इत्युक्ते सम्बन्धः, तस्य अपत्यम् इति एतयोः शब्दयोः मध्ये सम्बन्धः अस्ति चेदेव तत्र उक्त प्रत्ययः प्रथमान्त शब्दात् भवति। यथा दशरथस्य अपत्यं, दशरथ इति शब्देन किञ्चित् प्रत्ययः, तदित प्रत्ययः भवति, तेन दाशरथी। तस्य अपत्यम् इति शब्दयोः समर्थः, समर्थः अस्ति, सम्बन्धः अस्ति। यदि सम्बन्धः अस्ति तर्हि एव प्रत्ययः भवति। एतेभ्यां तस्य इति प्रथमशब्दः अस्ति, अयं समर्थानां प्रथमः इति उच्यते। समर्थानां तस्य अपत्यम् इति द्वयोः शब्दयोः सम्बन्धः समर्थः अस्ति, समर्थौ स्तः एतौ शब्दौ, अतः समर्थानां प्रथमः तस्य इति। समर्थानां तस्य उदाहरणं तस्य अपत्यम् अस्मिन् अर्थे विनीतायाः अपत्यम्। विनीतायाः का विभक्तिः? षष्ठी विभक्तिः। विनीतायाः अपत्यम् प्रथम उच्चारितं पदं तस्य, तस्य अपत्यं द सन् आफ् हिस् इति समर्थः अस्ति। पदयोः मध्ये समर्थत्वं, समर्थौ स्तः शब्दौ, अतः तस्य इति प्रथम उच्चारितं पदं। विनतायाः अपत्यम् इति, विनतायाः अपि षष्ठी विभक्तिः, अतः विनतायाः अपत्यम् इति तस्य अपत्यम् इति अस्मिन् अधिकारे यः प्रत्ययः वर्तते, उदाहरणार्थम् अत्र डक् प्रत्ययः वर्तते। डक् प्रत्ययं विनता इति, तस्य विनतायाः इति षष्ठी विभक्तेः प्रातिपदिकं विनता, विनता प्लस डक् वैनतेय इति रूपं सिद्ध्यति। वैनतेय इति तदितान्तरूपं, विनतायाः पत्यं वैनतेय, तस्य इति षष्ट्यन्त पदं प्रथम उच्चारितं पदं, तस्मादेव प्रत्ययः भवति इत्यर्थः। तस्य प्रथमानां समर्थाद्वा इति सूत्रस्य अर्थः विचारेण तदित विषये द्रक्ष्यामः। अत्र केवलं समर्थानां प्रथमाद्वा इति सूत्रविषये किञ्चित् ज्ञानम् आवश्यकम्। समर्थानां प्रथमाद्वा, समर्थानां पदानां प्रथमशब्दात् तदित प्रत्ययः भवति, तदेव अर्थः। समर्थानां समर्थयोः पदयोः मध्ये प्रथम उच्चारित पदात् प्रत्ययः भवति, तदेव अर्थः अस्य सूत्रस्य। कौण्टर् एक्साम्पल्, कौण्टर् एक्साम्पल् अहं चिन्तयामि। the counter example, तचम उत्तारितं पदं योगोपत्यम् तत्र पश्यतु कौण्टर् एक्साम् यदि द्वयोः शब्दयोः मध्ये सामर्थ्यं नास्ति तत्र तर्हि तदितप्रत्ययः न प्रयोक्तव्यता कम्बलम् उपगोः अपत्यं देवदत्तस्य इति कम्बलम् उपगोः अपत्यं देवदत्तस्य अत्र उपगोः अपत्यमिति पदयोः मध्ये सामर्थ्यं नास्ति अतः उपगोः अपत्यम् औपगवमिति वक्तुं न शक्यते उपगोः अपत्यं न उपगु तथा अपत्यम् इति शब्दयोः मध्ये सामर्थ्यं नास्ति अस्मिन् वाक्ये उपगोः शब्दस्य सामर्थ्यं कम्बलम् इति शब्देन सह अस्ति न तु अपत्यं शब्देन अतः उपगोः अपत्यम् इति अत्र कोऽपि अर्थः न निर्दिश्यते अतः उपगोः अपत्यम् औपगवम् इति तदितान्त रूपं न भवति पदयोः सामर्थ्यं सम्बन्धः अन्वयः अस्ति चेदेव तदित प्रत्ययः भवति समर्थानां पदानां मध्ये प्रथम उच्चारित शब्दात् तदित प्रत्ययः भवति एतदेव अर्थः अस्य सूत्रस्य समर्थानां प्रथमाद्वा अवगच्छन्ति वा यथा यथा समासविषये अस्माभिः दृष्टं तद्वदेव अत्रापि समर्थः पदविधिः स्मर्यते वा सेम् थिंग here also we get when two words have got sambandha then only we can combine in samasa similarly here also when two words have got sambandha then we can add appropriate tadita pratyaya what are maybe the sambandha tasya pratyam is just an example there are so many such adhikara sutras are there tasya pratyam tena raktam va iti so many are there under that adhikara certain pratyas are given fulfilling certain conditions. Prakriya of tadita is very easy, but there are so many pratyas. Prakriya of kridanta is difficult, but there are less pratyas. But tadita is much easier, in fact. Now, yeah.
What is prathama uchcharana? Means the first indication.
Tasya apatyam. Iti sutram asti kila. So tasya apatyam. One sutram, for example. Tasya apatyam. Take one. Tasya apatyam, one sutram is that. Now, for example, you take tasya apatyam. Tasya apatyam. This is under Tadita Adhikara, 4192. Tadita is 4176. Now, this is one Adhikara Sutram, Tasya apatyam. Right?
Yes.
Now, Tasya is the Pratama Ucharitam Padam in the Sutra. That's what's Pratamatva. So, now, Tasya apatyam. To take the example. Dasharathasya apatyam, for example. Tasya, Dasharathasya, right? Apatyam, yes. Son. Now, the Tadita Pratyaya, you have got some Tadita Pratyaya, in Pratyaya. Now, to what you will add? To the Apatya word or to the Dasharatha? Because Dasharathasya, Tasya Apatyam, Tasya Shashti. Dasharatasya, that is also Shashti. So, Tasya stands for Dasharatha. Right?
Yes.
Tasya can be anything. It can be anything. Dasharathasya va, Janakasya va, could be anything, right? Stands, that is Pratama Ucharitam Padam. Pratama Ucharita Padat, Samartayoho Padayoho, Pratama Ucharita Padat, Tadita Pratyaya Bhavati. So, Tadita, the Dasharatha plus the Tadita Pratyaya. Understand? Shashtyan.
Pratama Ucharitas.
Pratama Ucharita, literally the first word of the sutra. Yes.
Right.
First word of the sutra. This is Tasya Patyam is just it is a format in which all things will fit in. Dasharathasya apatyam, Janakasya apatyam, Sumitrayaha apatyam, right? Kuntyaha apatyam, all will fit in.
All apathyam.
All will fit. And what is the first one? To that, tasya is a pronoun that stands for all the proper nouns, right? To
Whatever
that,
is in Shashti Vibhakti.
whatever, yes, Shashti Vibhakti. To that, the Tadita Pratyaya, respective Tadita Pratyaya, whatever it is. That depends on so many things are there. That is Akaranta or Ikaranta iti. So corresponding Tadita Pratyaya will be added to that Shabda and you get a Taditanta Padam Pratipadikam.
Yes.
Utsarga is Anpratyaya will come. Now, Anpratyaya to what Anpratyaya will come? Shashti Samartat Subantat. Now you have this statement. Dasharathasya apatyam, right? What is the Shashti there? Dasharatha. Dasharathasya, right? Dasharathasya, Shashti Samarta, Subanta, Dasharatha, Tadi Dasharatha Shabdasya, apatyam in this meaning of his son. And Pratyaya will be added. So what you will add? To your Dasharatha.
Yes.
So Dasharatha, this is Utsarga. Of course, not an will not be added to Dasharatha. Dasharatha is Akaranta Shabda, therefore you have an Apavada in Pratyaya by the Asharati you get. For example, here if you take Ashwapati, Ashwapatehe Apatyam Brahman, Ashwapatehe Shashti Vibhakti of Ashwapati. This is the Pratama Ucharitam Padam. Understand?
Understood, sir.
And there is Samartha, there is Samandha between these two. That also important. Samarthanam Pratama Shabdat Tadita Pratyaha Bhavati. Right? So Ashwapatehe plus An. So then we know what will happen as we have seen in Samasa. We have to do the Alokika Vigraha. Ashwapati plus the Shashti Bhakti Nas. Then plus An. Then Supodhatu Pratipadika. Look, that will apply. I hope you all remember that, right? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Ji.
Pratipadikam, all the Supratya will become.
Lopa.
Then
Lopaha.
what is the significance of Tadita Pratya? Taditeshu Acham Adege. Remember? Always. Adi Vriddhi will happen. We always
Happen,
say.
yeah.
So A will become A, number one. Right? Then content of the Pratya is the Ashwapati plus A. Then what will happen? When SCA teacher, remember? When Ikaranta
Yeah.
or
Mm.
Akaranta is
Akaranta.
followed by Tadita Pratyaya, then what will happen?
E goes
Tasya.
E
It
goes away.
Therefore, you
Ikaras.
get Ashwapatha. Who is Ashwapatha now? Tasya Apatyam. Kasya. Ashwapatehe Apatyam. Ashwapatha. Right?
Mm.
Yes.
So, An is the Utsarga Pratyaya. Similarly, Vinatayaha Apatyam. Here it is not An. Please note. Here we have Vinatayaha Apatyam Vainateya iti Stribhyaha Dak Pratyaya. Stribhyaha Dak. One sutra is Stribhyaha Strilinga Shabdebhyaha Strilinga Shabdat. Okay. Strilinga Shabdat Dak Pratyaya will come. Dak is a kit. But you remember Kakara is Kit Pratyaya. So
No hunger.
here
Karya will not
in
happen.
Tadita Pratyaya we don't, even whether it is Kit or Akit doesn't matter. Only for Sarvadhatuka Adhatuka it is important, not here. Remember? Even if the Pratyaya is Kit, Angakarya will happen. What is Angakarya? B will become Y.
Adi
Vainateya.
Vriddhi.
Adi Vriddhi. E will become Vriddhi. Letter is I. That is number one. Vinataya. First let us do the Alokika Vigraha. Vinata plus Nas plus Dak. Let's suppose that the Prativida Nas will go away. So Vinata plus Dak. Now Da will be replaced by Ya. By this sutra. This is a simple sutra. Someone went to simple. Here we have the Pratyaya. Pa, Da, Kha, Cha, Gha. The pratyas are there. The pratyas will get the corresponding adesha, aya, etc. Right? So da is here. So da will be replaced by aya. It's a simple sutra. It's pratyaya adesha sutra, 712. That is, da will be replaced by a.
Yeah.
Ha will be replaced by ayan. Right? So here dak is there. So da will be replaced by a. Here a is there. Content of the pratyaya is, that is after replacing takara, you have a. So a plus a. Now this is Tadita Pratyaya, Adi Vriddhi, Taditeshu Achamadehe Sutrena, V becomes Vainata plus Aya. Then what you get? Vainata plus Aya. This is a Tadita Sutra. Therefore, Sya Ticha will apply Akarasya Lopaha avarnanta rivarnantasya basingikasya. Remember, lopaha
Yeah.
bhavati when
Yes,
when followed by tadita pratyaya or
Tadita pratyaya.
ikara. That is sutra, yasya teacher. Oh, this is very important sutra. We have seen that so many times. Yasya means what? Ikara, ivarna or avarna. E plus a becomes ya. Ivarnantasya, avarnantasya, basingikasya, angasya, tadita pratyaya pare, atava ikare pare, lopaha bhavati. Right? I hope you remember the sutra.
Yes, Jay.
Yes.
Yes. So Vainat plus Yaya, Vainateya, Vainateya Pakshinam comes in Gita, right? Okay. We are not tracing Chadita and all these things. We are going to see only Avyayam. Okay. Just giving an idea. So Tasya Apatya means one sutra. Similarly, Adhikar Sutra. So Tasya iti Prathamocharitam Padat Pratyaya Bhavati. Similarly, we have any Tena Raktam, another, for example. Tena Sakheti Tulya Yoge, Tena Raktam, Tena Nivrittam, Tena Proktam. All these are Adhikara Sutra. Tena Saheti Tulya Yoge, Tena Nirvittam, Tena Proktam. This is another. Tena here. Tena Saheti Pratham Ujaritam Padam is Tena. Right? So that Shabda, which is in Tritiya, in the Vakya, that Shabda will take Tadita Pratyaya. Saha Putrena Agataha. Putrena Saha Agataha. Therefore, what will happen? Sa Putraha. Saha iti एतत् शब्दरूपं तुल्ययोगे वर्तमानं तेन इति तृतीयान्त सखेन समस्यते ऋग्विक् समासः भवति पुत्रेण आगतः सः स पुत्रः छात्रेण सह यावद् वाक्यं छात्रेण सह आगतः छात्रेण तृतीया राइट हियर तेन तृतीया छात्र विल शब्द will take the pratyaya स छात्रः it will become स कर्मकरः like that. Okay, this is just an example. Saha iti tritiyantena pragvat. So like that, we have got many sutras in this. Tena raktam raga, tena nirvritam, tena divyati. This is another important sutram. Tena kritam, tena tulyam kriya chet vatihi. Remember, this is this sutra. I think you will see. Tena tulya kriya chet vati pratyaya. Tena tulya kriya, for example, similar to comparable to hiravat. So, for example, brahmanena tulyam adite. So, tena, what is the prathama ucharitam padam in the example? Keeping this Adhikar Sutra in mind. What is the prathama ucharita padam? Tena. Tena is tritiya. In our vakyam, brahmanena tulyam adite. Prathama ucharitam padam is
Brahmane.
Sadita pratyaya will come for brahmana. That is it. Brahmana plus what is the pratyaya? Vati. Vati. E is it letter. Vati. Brahmana plus vati. Content of vati is vat. So brahmana plus vat. Brahmana vat. So brahmana vat is studies. Someone. Brahmanena tulyamadite. Right? Dronavat. Dronaha kshatriyavat yudhyati. So tena saha. Kshatriyavat is equal to kshatriyavat. It is kshatriyena. Dronaha kshatriyavat yudhyati. Kshatriyavat is avyayam. How do you form avyayam? Kshatriya plus kshatriyena tulyam kshatriyavat. Brahmanena tulyam brahmanavat. Kshatriyena tulyam yudhyati. Therefore kshatriyavat. Understand? Anjaneya pavanavat dayate. So pavanavat pavanena tulyam dayate. That is the vigraha for pavanavat. Pavanavat is avyayam, indeclinable. Is equal to vigraha vakya will be pavanena tulyam iva dayate. Ramavat. Ramavat is equal to Ramena iva at Ramena tulyam acharati. Kaha Lakshmanaha Ramavat. Understand? So this is the sutra. Pratamanta Shabdat Pratyaya Bhavati. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. This background is enough. Now let us see the Taditascha Asarabhaktihi. Let us split this sutra and understand the the individual padams of this sutra. 1138. Taditaha cha asarva vibhakti nanj, meaning that the tadita pratyaya nato sarva yasmat sarva vibhakti na utpadyate saha taditantam avyayam syat. Let us see what यस्मात् तदितान्त शब्दात् सर्वे विभक्ति प्रत्ययाः न विधीयन्ते तस्य अव्यय इति संज्ञा भवति. Let us read this and we'll discuss this elaborately. व्याकरण शास्त्रेषु पठितासु संज्ञासु अन्यतमा संज्ञा अस्ति अव्यय. स्वरादि निपातम् अव्यमिति अस्मात् सूत्रात् आरभ्य अविभावस्य सूत्र पर्यन्तं यावत्सु पंचसु सूत्रेषु अव्यय संज्ञा पाठ्यते विनो. एतेषु इदं सूत्रं द्वितीय सूत्रम्. विशिष्टानां तद्धित प्रत्ययान्त शब्दानाम् अनेन सूत्रेण अव्यय संज्ञा दीयते. There are some special तद्धित प्रत्ययास are there that results in अव्यय संज्ञा. Now that तद्धित प्रत्यय will come after only certain certain vivaktyanta, not all the subanta. Let's see the example. Asarva vivaktihi, na sarva vivaktihi, asarva vivaktihi. Tadita adhikare nirdishtaha kechana tadita pratyayaha yada pratipadikebhyah vidiyante tatra tarhi tatra nirmitebhyah nutana pratipadikebhyah sanyatvasya abhavat dvivachana bhagavachana pratyayaha na bhavanti. एतेभ्यः औत्सर्गिक रूपेण केवलम् एकवचनस्य एव विभक्ति प्रत्ययः भवन्ति. अतः एव एतेषां निर्देशः अत्र असर्वविभक्तिः इत्येन क्रियते. So तद्धित अधिकारे निर्दिष्टाः केचन तद्धित प्रत्ययाः, some तद्धित प्रत्ययाः which are in the तद्धित अधिकार, when it is added to the pratipadikam. Tadhitantam is pratipadikam, right? Tadita pratyaya is added to a pratipadikam, you get a new pratipadikam, right? Yada pratipadikebhyah vidiyante. We say it's added to subanta only. It's not subanta we add, but supratyaya becomes look supodhatu pratipadikam. Look, therefore to the pratipadikam you add. The pratipadikam gives rise another pratipadikam by the addition of tadita pratyaya. So yada pratipadikebhyah vidiyante tadita pratyayaha tatra there निर्मितेभ्यः नूतन प्रातिपदिकेभ्यः संज्ञात्वस्य अभावात् द्विवचन बहुवचन विभक्ति प्रत्ययाः न भवन्ति. So तत्र निर्मितेभ्यः नूतन प्रातिपदिके, then the new प्रातिपदिकम what you get there संज्ञात्वस्य अभावात्, it doesn't have number. Always it will be, it is always you have to consider it as ekavachanam. So therefore, dvivachana, bhagavachana pratyaya will not come for the new pratipadikam, new taditanta pratipadikam. Therefore, by default, always it will be ekavachana only. Always it will be ekavachana. Therefore, other vibhakti pratyayas will not come. That is why it is called asarva vibhakti. With example, you will understand. एतादृशाः सर्वे शब्दाः येभ्यः द्विवचन बहुवचन प्रत्ययाः न विधीयन्ते ते प्रकृतसूत्रेण अव्ययसंज्ञां स्वीकुर्वन्ति. So the pratipadikam, new pratipadikam, what you get by the addition of tadita pratyaya, it will not get dvivachana bahuvachana pratyaya. Only ekavachana pratyaya, that too, that particular thing, particular pratipadikam. We'll see that what it is. Now, for example, asarva vibhaktikanam tadita pratyanam avali. Yehi tadita pratyahi avyasya nirvanam bhavati tesham sutranam avali, the list etadrishi vartate. Now, tasischa is one sutram. Tasil pratyaya, we say, remember, tasil, like taha comes, that's a tasil. It's in 43113. section 43113. Ityanena vigitaha tasi pratyaya. Content is tas.
Okay.
Yesham ante vartate. Yesham ante tas pratyaya vartate. Avyasanyakaha bhavanti. That ends with tas pratyaya will be avyasanya. For example, Sudamataha. Sudama is a word plus tasil pratyaya taha. Similarly, imavat taha. Ayam pratyaya sarvebhyah pratipadikebhyah panchamyarte vidiyante. Sudamataha is Sudama is a pratipadikam. But panchamyarta, that is Sudamat plus the tasil pratyaya, tadita pratyaya, Sudamat plus tasil. Sudamat is Sudama plus nasi. The nas will go away when you form upadada pratipadika. Look. Therefore, Sudama plus tas you get, then Sudama pancham antebhya pratipadikebhya tasil pratyaya will come. Then after that you cannot have Bhagavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam. There is no Sudamato, there is no Sudamataha. Only Sudamataha, Ekavachane, Eva Bhavati by default. That Sudamataha is Abhyaya. It has the Panchamyartha, replacement for the fifth case of the Sudamat Shabda. Sudama Shabda. Sudamatad, Sudamat. Sudamat is equal to Sudamataha. Dvivachana Pratyaya, Bhagavachana Pratyaya will not come. And Panchamyartha already we have said. So to the fifth case of the Sudama Shabda, in the meaning of that, Tasil Pratyaya is added. So you get only one word, and that is Sudamataha, that is Avyayam, indeclinable. You cannot decline. You cannot decline means if you cannot have Pratama Vibhakti Sudamataha, Dvitiya Vibhakti, like that. It can't be declined. Sudamataha is what you get. It is Avyayam, indeclinable. And that is Avyayam is a padam, can be used in the language. Ayam Pratyaya Sarvebhyaha Pratipadikebhyaha. This Pratyaya can be added to any Pratipadika Pancham Yarte, in the sense of fifth case. Iti anena sutrena nutanani avyayani siddhyanti. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Similarly, another one. Tena tulyam kriyachat vatihi. That already we saw. Brahmanavat. So Brahmanavat is what vibhakti is there? Tritiya is there. Tritiya sense, right? So Brahmanavat, Kshatriyavat. Can we have Bhagavachanam, Dvivachanam? Anena api sutrena bhaguni nutanani avyayani siddhyanti. You don't have Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam. Brahmanavat only.
Okay.
Many Kshatriyas, they study like Brahmana. Then you have to say Brahmanavat only. Always it is like that Ekavachanam. You cannot have Bhagavachanam, Dvivachanam and all. Right? Dronaha or Dronacharyaha. Many Acharyas are there. Acharyaha, Kshatriyavati Yudhyanti only. Acharyaha Yudhyanti. Kshatriyavat. That will not be Bhagavachanam. Understand?
Yes.
That's what Asarva Vibhakti.
Same time in other genders also we cannot have, that is also there.
Yes. In fact, there is no gender. There is no gender, there is no
Vachana,
number.
there is no vibhakti.
Vibhakti is this Tadita Pratyas added in particular sense. Panchamyarte Tasal. Then Tritiya Anta Shabdat Vat Pratyaya. Similarly, like that. Like that, many words are there. We will learn that. Saptamyarte. We have Etra Kutra, like that we have. We'll see there all those things.
Okay.
Right? This is what we are going to see. Now, because we had a Tadita Shabdya, therefore, Krit Tadita Samasascha, by that sutra, it will get what Sanya?
Pratipadika Sanya.
Pratipadika Sanya. Then after that, if we had Suprataya, that will become?
Padam.
Look. Abhyat, Padam, of course, Padam.
Ah.
Abhyat, because it has got Abhyay Sanya, therefore, Abhyat, Aap Supraha, look. By that sutra, Suprataya will become look. For example, Brahmanavati you get. Brahmanavati is a Pratipadika. Pratipadikam, it's an Abhyaya. Then if you add Su, Aujas, Amokshes, what will happen to that? It will become
Lopa.
Look.
Lopaha.
Lopaha bhakti.
Right? Therefore, you will have Brahmanavatu only. Because it is added in Pancham Yartha, therefore you cannot have Pratama and all. Only in the sense, always it has a meaning of fifth case. For example, this Tasil Pratyaya. I'm talking about Tasil Pratyaya, fifth case. Similarly, Tritiya, Tena Tulya, Tritiya. Similarly, we have some Pratyaya, Saptam Yarte. Saptam Yarte, Tal Pratyaya, Kutra, Tatra, all those things. And Pancham Yarte also, we have Ataha we use frequently, Ataha, Asmat. So those Shabdas are there. Okay. So it is given here, he has elaborated. Let us read this and then I have my own notes also that I will type and show you. Therefore, etadashaha sarve shabdaha yebhyaha dvivachana bhagavachana pratyahana vidiyante. That is why it is not sarva vibhaktihi, a sarva vibhaktihi, none is there. Okay. Then it means all supratyas, each and all, every supratyas do not apply. So that tadita pratyanta shabda. Okay. So therefore, this is avyayam. Tena tulyam in this sutra. Tatra tasyeva, tadargam. All these are adhigara sutra in this tadita adhigara. Etegi sutrehi ukta vati pratyaya. Yeshamante vidyante ye avyasanyakaha bhavanti. Vati is one pratyaya. Yeshamante vidyate. That vat pratyaya. Those shabdas are, they get a sanya, avyasanya by this sutra. Taditascha asarva vibhaktihi. Because they are added to the pratyaya. Vat pratyaya is added to the pratipadikam. And tena tulyam saheti. If you see that sutra, there we will have like here. We will see that the 43113. In fact, there is some parigaranam. These are the pratyas, whatever is given. If you see the sutra, for example, this 43113. 43113, for example, if you take this sutra, ekadiktena tasicha aviyam, not aviyam, sorry. Sutra is 43113. 43 is this comes in the sense of direction with that the form the indeclinables. This ordains another affix. The words formed by this are indeclinables. Avyasanya one, that is taditascha asarvabhakti. So the previous sutra. तस्य प्रत्ययः भवति तेन दिक् इति एतस्मिन् विषये पूर्वेण घादिषु प्राप्तेषु मरः प्रत्ययः विधीयते स्वादि पाठात् अव्ययत्वं स्वरादि दिस इज स्वरादि पाठात् अव्ययत्वं this is read in the swaradi gana tasi pratyanta shabdas are avyayam. We check in the swaradi gana pataha Yeah, here, vat. Vat is pratyaya is here. Yata brahmanavat kshatriyavat. Right? Vat is a pratyaya. Vat pratyaya, where it is? It is in this sutra 43113. By this, because it is patita in the Swaradi, and by this sutra Swaradi nipatam abhiyam, therefore the resultant would be abhiyam. The resultant of adding the pratyaya to the pratipadikam in the particular sense, resultant would be abhiyam. So tasi pratyanta tadita pratyaha, tasi pratyanta tadita shabdaha avyasanyakaha bhavanti. This is the sutra. The Swaradigana, the vat is patitam. Therefore, tasil pratyantaha taditascha sarva bhaktihi iti sutrena avyayam. Understand? That's the connection. How you say tasil pratyanta shabda is avyayam? Tasischa iti anena vigitaha tasil pratyaya eshamante vartate te avyasha samingakaha. How do you say that? Because this tasil pratyaya is read in the Swaradigana. So therefore, it is avyayam. Understand? We follow.
Yes, Ji.
Yes.
And this tasil pratyaya is added to the pratipadikam only in the panchamyarte. Sarvebhyaha pratipadikebhyaha panchamyarte vidiyante. Tena nutana avyayani siddhyanti. You get avyayam. Then that avyayam will take suprataya. That avyayat apsupaha look. By that, sup will become look. Therefore, vibhakti pratyaya will not cause any change in the will not change. Therefore, it is the same form, Brahmanavat, this is Sudamataha, which will be there. Right? Therefore, Sudamataha iti Rupam. Visarga is because of Sakarat, Tasil, Sakara. Thus is the content. Sudamataha, Imavattaha. Similarly, Tena Tulyam, Kriya Chedvatihi, Tatra Tasyeva, Tadargam. Etehi Sutrehi Uktaha Vati. Vati Pratyaya is Uktaha Etehi Sutrehi. Eshamanti Vidyante Te api avyasanyakaha. Because Vati Pratyaya, that is read in the, sorry, this is what I was Swaradikara. Okay, sorry. Vati. Vati is what, all same. This is what, not Tasal, this is Vati. Vati Pratyaya is in the Swaradikana. Therefore, Brahmana, Kshatriya, all these will enjoy the Sanya Avyayam by the Sutra Tadita Shastra Bhakti. Similarly, Vinanjbhyam Nana Nyau Nasaha. Anena Vigitaha Na Pratyaha Tata Nanch Pratyaha Cha Yeshamante Asti Ye Shabdaha Avyasanyakaha Bhavanti. Anena Sutrena, you get the Shabda Vina Nana iti etayoho Shabdayoho Avyasanya Bhavati. Nana Vina, you get. Then Panchamyas Tasal. You will see the sutra later in detail. Just here, it's done the Parigananam. Yes, just the enumerated the Tadita Pratyaya resulting in Avyayam. Panchamyas Tasal, for example. Then Yatyata, starting from 537 onwards, 5314. Iti eteshu nirdishtaha Tadita Pratyaya yeshamante agachanti ye shabdaha avyasanyakaha bhavanti. So 537 to 5346. It's called Tasiladaya, Prag Vashapaha. So Tadita Pratyas in this sutra, beginning from 537 up to 5347, Yadacha. So here, Eteshu Nidisha Tadita Pratyanta Shabdaha Avyasanyakaha Bhavanti. So by the Pratyas here, we'll get all these words. Tataha, Yataha, Putra, Paritaha, Yatra. Tvaidam, Traidam, Adeha. Agatya Panchashata Adhikanam Shabdanam Ittam Avyaya Sanya Bhavati. Panchashata Adhikanam means Panchashat, not Panchashata. Panchashata Adhikanam. Panchashata Adhikanam means more than 50.
50, no?
50. More than 50 words. Avyas words are derived by the pratyas mentioned in this adhikara, in this range, 537 to 5346. Then Kimeti किमेतेन व्यय घाधाम भद्रव्य प्रकर्षे इति उक्त इति अनेन उक्त आम प्रत्ययः तथा अमुच छन्दसि 4/4 12 इत्यनेन उक्तः अम् प्रत्ययः येषामन्ते विधीयन्ते ते अपि अव्ययसंज्ञकाः भवन्ति लाइक किं तराम पूर्वाने तराम दिस आल्सो वी विल सी पचति तराम प्रतराम all these are अव्यय एतो प्रत्ययो सर्वेज्ञभ्यः तिङन्तेभ्यः वर्तन्ते please note and संज्ञावाचकेभ्यः उक्तो स्तः this will come after the तिङन्त and संज्ञावाचक शब्द पचति तराम not tara pratyaya तदित प्रत्यय and it is an अव्ययम् पचति तराम किं तराम इति then संख्यायाः क्रिया अभ्यावृत्तिगणे कृत्वसुच another प्रत्यय 5/4 17 then 5/4 18 5/4 19 then तथा तस्य विभाषा then 5/4 20 भगोर्धा अभिप्रकृष्टकाले एतैः सूत्रैः प्रोक्ताः कृत्वसुच सुच तथा धा प्रत्ययः येषामन्ते सन्ति ते अपि अव्ययसंज्ञकाः भवन्ति यथा द्विस् त्रिस् चतुर् पञ्चकृत्वः पञ्चदा एट्सेट्रा all these are अव्ययः एतेषु कृत्वसुच प्रत्ययः सर्वेभ्यः संख्यावाचकेभ्यः विधीयन्ते पंचकृत्वः example for example कृत्वसुच प्रत्यय it will come after the numbers संख्या then भगवल्पार्थाच्यस् कारकात् अन्यतरस्य इति आरभ्य इत्यतः मद्रात् परिवापने up to that इति यावत् सूत्रेषु ये प्रत्ययाः उक्ताः सन्ति तदन्ताः शब्दाः अव्ययसंज्ञकाः भवन्ति they also get the संज्ञा अव्यय like बहुशः here chas is there chas means chas pratyaya बहु अल्प अर्थात् शस् okay that we will see this also in detail बहुशः अल्पशः आदितः ग्रामतः इत्यादयः एतेषु केचन प्रायः सर्वेभ्यः प्रातिपदिकेभ्यः विधीयन्ते अतः येन अनेन प्रकारेण अनंत शब्दानां there are many countless अव्ययसंज्ञा भवितुम् अर्हति okay so by this so by the addition of tadita pratyas which are mentioned tadita adhikara we get avyaya and that particular meaning the tadita pratyas are added this is to be remembered then after that avyayam then what happens to utpatti then padasanya katam bhavati सर्वे तदितान्त शब्दाः कृतदित समासाश्च सूत्रेण प्रातिपदिकं तो प्रातिपदिक संज्ञकाः भवन्ति then एतेषु केवलम् एकवचनस्य प्रत्ययाः उत्पद्यन्ते प्रकृत सूत्रेण तेषाम् अव्ययसंज्ञा विधीयन्ते not all vibhakti pratyas will come only तेषु एकवचनस्य प्रत्ययाः उत्पद्यन्ते तेषां by the sutra you get अव्ययसंज्ञा so therefore whatever प्रातिपदिकं you get तदितान्त प्रातिपदिकं so that you add ekavachana pratyaya that ekavachana pratyaya also what will happen avyat apsupaha look by the sutra it will become look so therefore what resultant will be avyaya padam avyaya pratipadikam becomes avyaya padam example vina suppose one taditanta pratipadikam asarva vibhakti by that you cannot add su aujas amauchas no you cannot all the pratyaya just add supratyaya supratyaya is added to the avyaya sanyaka pratipadikam taditanta pratipadikam then avyat apsabha by that sutra this will become look resultant would be avyaya padam so avyayam pratipadikam becomes avyaya padam that's why avina becomes a pada avyat apsabha look by that sutra becomes supratyaya becomes look so natu sarva vibhaktihi bhavanti that's why asarva vibhaktihi kevalam ekavachana pratyaya alone will come here in this case it is vina I think it's not added in any particular sense but there are some tadita pratyas added in a particular sense pancham like pancham yastasal like that that also then supratyaya only ekavachana pratyaya alone will come not all pratyaya this is unlike the other avyayas remember like in the avyaya samasa Upakrishnam, 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 Upakrishnam. Do you remember Upakrishnam, Upakrishnam, Upakrishnam? Upakrishnena, Upakrishnam. Tritiya and Saptami, we have choice, and the Saptami, Panchami, it will not be. Do you remember that Shabda? Samasa? Upakrishna, the word Upakrishna is Krishnasya Samipam, Samiparte. Krishnasya
Yes.
Samipam. We get Aviva Samasa, Upakrishna. How do you decline Upakrishna? Upakrishna Adantat Ambhavati, right? Upakrishna plus Upakrishnam, Upakrishnam, Upakrishnam. We decline in all the Vibhakti, all the Vachanam. And by Tritiya, we have a choice. Upakrishnena or Upakrishnam. Upakrishnabhyam, Upakrishnam. Upakrishnaihi, Upakrishnam. Like that. Do you remember?
Yes, Ji. Weird. Samasa.
In Samasa, we saw that. So Upakrishna is Avibhava Samasa. Let me show that. Avibhava Samasa. There we decline the Upakrishna, the word. So Avibhava Samasa. Please see. There all Vibhaktis, all Vibhaktis, Vibhakti Pratyaya added to the Avayam. And we get the different forms. Table is there. You can recall this Upakrishna Shabda. Yes. For example, Adigopa. Adigopam, Adigopam, Adigopam. Adigopam, Adigopam, Adigopam. Then Tritiya, there is an option. Adigopam, Adigopena. Adigopam, Adigopabhyam. Adigopam, Adigopaihi. And Chaturthi, Adigopam, Adigopam, Adigopam. Panchami, there is no option. And Adigopam also will not come except Panchami. All other will be Adigopam. And Tritiya and Saptami will be, you have option. So Adigopat, Adigopabhyam, Adigopebhyaha, Adigopam, Adigopam, Adigopam. And Adigopam, Adigope, or Adigopam, Adigopayoho, Adigopam, Adigopeshu. Remember this?
Yes, Ji.
So this is by the Sutra, in fact. We have seen this. Tritiya Saptamyoho Bagulam. Tritiya and Saptami, we have Bagulam. Bagulam is Vikalpena Bhavati. And Panchami, Akaranta Pradipadika Ampratyaya Bhavati, and Panchami will not. Apanchamyaha. Sutram is there. Na Vibhavat Ataha Am to Apanchamyaha. Am will be the Pratyaya, will be the Adesha in the place of all the Pratyayas except for the Panchami Vibhakti. Right? Yes. So that like that here we cannot do. That's why Asarva Vibhakti. Okay. That's why it is Asarva Vibhakti. Understand?
Yes.
So Vina plus Su, therefore resultant would be Vina. So Sarva Vibhakti na bhavanti. Anena prakarena padasanyayam jatayam asya sabdasya vakye prayoga bhavati. Why? Because apadam na prayunjita. We cannot use apadam. So it has become padam. Once you have abhyay pradipadikam, convert to a padam by adding supratyaya. Vyat apsupaha look by that. Supratyaya become lopaha. Because it is na sarva vibhakti, asarva vibhakti. Therefore, supratyaya alone need to add. So the resultant would be a padam. Ramaha bharatam vina gacchati. Asmin vakye vidyamana vina shabdaha padasanyaka asti natu pradipadikam. That we know. Pradipadika we are converted into padam avyayam now. Understand?
Yes.
So in this section, therefore, there are in Tadita section, it is not all the pratyayas which can produce avyayam. They are not listed together. They are scattered. So therefore, I refer to Siddhanta Kaumadi. There he has done the Parigananam. He has listed the pratyayas which causes avyayam, which produces avyayam. So that list is there. So we'll go by that list. Taditascha sarva vibhakti. Na utpadyate sarva vibhakti yasmat. Not all vibhakti pratyayas will come. That is after that. That's called asarva vibhakti. Asarva vibhakti tadita pratyanta shabdaha avyasanyakaha bhavati. That is the meaning of the sutra. Those tadita pratyanta shabdas to which each and every vibhakti pratyaya do not apply. Each and every vibhakti pratyaya will not apply. That's called avyayam. Now, what are those tadita pratyaya which results in avyayam? That enumeration. Parigananam, kartavyam, it is done here. Number one, tasiladaya prag pashapaha. Whatever is given in the website, enough particular, and more to that is added here. Tasiladaya prag pashapaha. Tasil, etc. Tasil, etc. means starting from 537. 537. 537 is Panchamyas Tasil. 537. 537 is Panchamyas Tasil. Yeah. Pratyas beginning with Tasil. This is not required. Pratyas beginning with Panchamyas Tasil. 537. Up to that Sutram. 5340. 46. Panchamyas. Yeah. 53. Prag, the word is there. Prag Pashapaha. Before Pashapaha. It means up to 5346. So Yapye Pashapiti 5347. You see the Sutra 5347. Yapye Pashap. Before that Sutra is 5346. So up to this Sutra, Edhacha. So Edhacha Sutra Padyantam. Prak means before. Before means here it is Maryada, it has to be excluded, not 5347. So 537 up to 5347 Prak, because it said here, therefore 5346 is included. So the sutras 537 to 5346. 5346 is Edhacha. Right here. That is up to the sutra. That is up to the sutram Edacha. The pratyas listed in this adhikara, by that avyayam, nutra shabda avyayam is avyayam utpadyante. 5346 up to this sutra. 5346. So that these tadita pratyas in this range 5347 to 5346. Those tadita pratyaya and the shabda will get the sanya avyayam. So number one, you need to remember tasiladeha prak pashapaha. Tasiladeha, by that means pratyas beginning with tasil, which is in the sutra 537, up to the sutra before pashapa. Pashap is there, the word in 5347. Before that means this is a sutra edasha. Therefore 537 to 5346, the tadita pratyas which are listed there, those tadita pratyaya and the shabda will result in this the avyaya. So tadita pratyaya and the shabdas get the sanya avyayam. Tadita pratyaya shabdas get avyayam means taditantas are pratipadika sup utpattihi, then avyat apsupaha becomes look, therefore avyayam. All these are understood. Not just tadita pratyayantas or avyayam means they produce avyaya pratipadikam. That avyaya pratipadikam should be converted to avyaya padam by adding supratyaya. And supratyaya anyway becomes look by avyayat apsupaha look. Those things we know that you always remember. So these tadita pratyayas result in avyayam. Then number two, shas prabhrutayaha prag samasantebhyaha. Samasanta is a sutra 5468. So prak means before that. Before that means 5467. So tadita pratyas enumerated in this range in the sutra beginning with 5442. This is a sutra. The pratyaya is pratyaya beginning is shas. Okay. That is from this sutra. Similarly, pratyaya beginning with tasil. From this sutra, Bhagvalpataschas Karakatanitarasya 5442 up to the sutra preceding Samasanta. It means before 5468, which is 5467. You see the sutra 5467. Madrat Paribhapane, up to the sutram. Up to the sutram, ye tadita pratyaha vartante, tena taditantabiyam. Taditanta abhyasanyakaha shabdaha bhavanti. So Madrat Paribhapane, up to the sutra 5467. Madrat Parivapane. Parivapane. So Taditanta Shabdaha, Taditanta, those Tadita Pratyas which are listed here, Tadanta Shabdaha, Abhyasangakaha Bhavanti. This is the second list. The first list is, this is the first list, Tasiladayaha. Second one, Shas Prabhatibhyaha, Abhyasangakaha Bhavanti. Shas, etc. They are Tadita Pratyas. So Shas Prabhatayaha, Prak Samasantebhyaha, Iti एतेषु सूत्रेषु ये प्रत्ययः विधीयन्ते तेन अव्ययसंज्ञकशब्दाः भवन्ति उत्पद्यन्ते. Next one is manta. Manta is the pratyas and am. Sorry, pratyas and am. You see 5411 and 5412. 5411 is just and 5412 is am. So pratyanta shabda, pratyanta shabdaha, pratyanta shabdaha, shabdaha api. Pratyanta shabdaha api abhyasangakaha bhavanti. We will see all the sutras in detail. First, we will give the list and then we'll see it individually. 5411. Am. 5411 is am. Okay. Kim shabdaha, ekaranta shabdaha, tinganta shabdaha tata, avyavachaka shabdaha, etesham ga pratyantebhyaha yadi dravyasya prakarshaha na nirdishyate, targi swarte amu. Amu means am. Am pratyaha nityam vidiyate. We will see the sutra in detail later. Just you can see kimataram, kintaram, how does it come? For example, kim shabda. Kim shabda is listed here. Kim, then tinganta, then avyaya, all those words are listed here. Then ga, pratyanta, etc. So kim is a shabda, sarvanama shabda. Yatra vastunam vidyamaneshu anekeshu vishesheshu prakrishtasya vishayasya vishaye prashnaha kriyate. You understand the meaning? Vastuna vidyamaneshu, anekeshu vastuna vidyamaneshu, kim taram, what among them? That question is asked. Kriyate tatra, kim shabdat, by this sutra, 5347, tarapratyaya will come. Then after that, tamapratyaya. Sorry, tarapratyaya or what among the two or what among them many. So among the two is tarap, among the many tavap. So tarap tamap pratyanta rupat agre vartamana sutrena am pratyaya vidiyate. Specifically among the two, which one is better? Suppose it is asked. Dvayoho atishayena kim, then tarap pratyaya is added to the kim shabda. Then you get kintara. Then after that am pratyaya is added. Am pratyaya when you add, you get kim taram. Kim taram meaning what among the two? Kim taram. Am pratyanta shabda. Am is tadita pratyaya. Tadita pratyanta shabda is avyayam. Therefore, avyasanya bhavati. Kim taram or kintaram. Similarly, tinganta also. Example is given. Kim taram savacha. Whom did he primarily talk to? Kim tamam savacha. So, yogo va anekeshu va. द्वयोः कं विशेषेण दृष्ट्वा सम्बुद्ध्यः सः उवाच अथवा अनेकेषु. So kintaram is dvayoho, kintamam is anekeshu. In that meaning. Similarly, dvayoho atishayena kim. That is the meaning kintaram. Then anekeshu atishayena kim tamam. Similarly, edanta shabda. Similarly, tinganta shabda. Similarly, gha pratyanta shabda. So therefore we have many ting shabda, for example. Tinganta shabda. First you will get tara pratyaya. Pachati plus tarap. Pachati tara. Then nam pratyaya, pachati taram. Then pachati tamam. So devadattaha pachati taram. It means prakarshena pachati ityartha. In that meaning, it's an aviyam. Pachati taram, pachati tamam. So here, yata eto do pachataha ayam etayoho atishayena pachati. This person cooks better. Therefore, ataha ayam pachati taram. Therefore, he cooks better. So ayam pachati taram. In that meaning, pachati taram is used. Similarly, pachati tamam, among many. Among the two, Devadatta is pachati taram. Among many, Devadatta is pachati tamam. So Devadattaha pachati taram, pachati taram. He cooks rakarshena pachati. Among the two is pachati taram, among the many, pachati tamam. So am pratyaya. So am pratyaya the shabda avyaya. Similarly, amu. Amu is another shabda which is used in chandasi, cha chandasi. So am pratyaya, that is mantaha, makaranta shabdaha tadapi avyam. This is the third list. 5, 4, 12. 5, 4, 12 is and 5, 4, 11 is am. Then number 4. Number 4 is the pratyas what we saw. Kritva such. Kritva such and other pratyas which are listed in the other pratyas in the same meaning. The same meaning listed there. It listed in the sutra. Sutras the same meaning. It's 5, 4, 17, 18 and 20. You can check 5, 4, 17. Krita such. Sankhyayaha kriya vyavrtigane krita such. 5, 4, 17. Krita such pratyaya, then such pratyaya, and 5, 4, 20. Vibhasha, by that krita such. So krita such and such. They are listed in the sutra 5, 4, 17, 18 and 20. 5, 4, 17. Then 5, 4, 18 and 5, 4, 20. So these sutras we'll see. Kritva such and other pratyas in this. Then the next one is Tasi and Vasi. Vati. Tasi and Vati pratyaya. Tasi and Vati. Tasi pratyaya is 4, 3, 1, 1, 3. Just check 4, 3, 1, 1, 3. Just now we saw 4, 3, 1, 1, 3. Tasischa. So Tasi pratyanta shabdaha avyasanyakaha bhavanti. Then similarly, Vati. Vati is there in the sutra. Vati is 5, 5, 1, 1, 1, 5. Yeah, this is Vati. Tera tulyam kriya chet Vati. So Tasi pratyanta tata pratyanta shabdaha tata Vati pratyanta shabdaha avyasanyakaha bhavanti. 5, 1, 1, 1, 5. Then the last one. 6. This also we saw na and nanj. Na and nanj. which is listed in the Sutra 5 to 27. Vinanjmyam nana nyau nasaha. So 5 to 27. So Vina and Nana. So that is also by this Sutra, Vina and Nana. Five to 27. So these are the list of Tadita Pratyas, which is what we are going to discuss one by one. The taking each group. In 6 groups it is given. The enumeration is done. Garanam, Parigaranam, Parigaranam Kritam. This is done by Bhimsen Shastri in Baimi Vyakaranam. So it's easy to list out the pratyas like that and then see. Now, first one is Tasiladeha Prak Vashapaha. Let us take that first. This is the first list. So this is this has arranged from 537 up to 5346. So when we see the sutra individually, we can refer to the site, and some sutra we discuss in detail. So in this section, the sutras from 531 to 5346. They have the Dita Pratyaya. They also have this. You can note this here in this range. Let us see the Sutra Pata. 537 to 5346. You will see the Pratyas enjoying the Sanya Vibhakti. Remember the Sanya Vibhakti? What are Vibhakti Pratyas? Suojas, Amoksha, Tabhyam, this. Then we have Tipta, Sri, Siptasta, Bipvas, all these enjoy Vibhakti Sanya, right? That's what the famous Vibhakti we know. But in Tadita Pratyaya also we have Vibhakti Sanya. Some Pratyas enjoy the Sanya Vibhakti. Yeah. So here 537. Five, 3, 3. Oh, pages are missing, I think, here. Okay. This is 5.3. Then 5. Okay. Some pages are missing. 5.3.2 is not there, and 5.3 is on 7 sutras are missing. Okay, we have to find another 5. Anyway, so I will see the website directly. 5.3 section. Sutra Pata 5.3.1. Pragdisha Vibhakti. This is the sutra. Pragdishaha Vibhakti. Do you remember the Sanya Vibhakti? Vibhakti iti Sanya Visa.
Yes.
Before, where Vibhakti is 14104. Where the Supratyas get the Sanya Vibhakti and Ting Pratyas are also Vibhakti, right?
Yes.
That is why we have Na Vibhakto Tusmaha. Remember? Na Vibhakto Tusmaha. What is it, Suparam? In Vibhakti Pratyaya, the Pratyaya is enjoying the Sanya Vibhakti there. Two, Tavarga,
Varga and
Sakara, and Makara
Makara.
will not enjoy its Sanya, right? Apavada. That is Tiptas, Siptasa, Sakara becomes Visarga. Otherwise, if it is its Sanya, Alantyam, then what will happen? All Sakara, all Makara will go away. Then you will not have and all, right? Na Vibhakto Tusmaha, that Vibhakti Sanya is used. Vibhakti, the word is used. Therefore, that Vibhakti is defined in the Sutra 14104. Supratyas and Ting Pratyas are Vibhakti. This is one place where Vibhakti is defined. This is not only Sanya. In fact, I would have told that time that's another place where vibhakti sanya is used. That is this section. Prag dishaha vibhakti tadita. Prag dishaha vibhakti means before dish. Prag dishaha vibhakti, before dish, the pratyas listed here will enjoy the sanya vibhakti. Please note. Yatah param 5326. Yavat 26. Yeah, I said 540, 46. 46 is the Tadita Pratyas. But here 5326. 531 to 5326. Iti yavat ye pratyaha patyante te vibhakti sanyakaha bhavanti. They enjoy the sanya vibhakti. Please note. Why vibhakti sanya is required? That also is okay, we'll see that. Te vibhakti sanyakaha bhavanti. पंचमाध्यायस्य तृतीय पादस्य प्रथम सूत्रम इदम अधिकार सूत्रम अस्मात् सूत्रात् आरभ्य विभक्ति संज्ञायाः अधिकारः प्रारभते. So 5312 5326 the pratyas which are listed here they enjoy vibhakti sanya. अस्मात् सूत्रात् आरभ्य 5327 iti अस्मात् पूर्वम यावत् प्राक् before. प्राक् the word is the प्राक् means before. So therefore 5326 5327, the word dish is there. So prag dishaha means before 5327. It means 5326. 531 to 5326, the pratyas listed here enjoy the sanya vibhakti sanya. So therefore, what will happen? Etesham sarvesham vibhakti sanya pratyayanam avali iyam. The list is given. Vibhakti sanyaka pratyaha. What are they? Tasil. Tasil is Tadita Pratyaya as well as Vibhakti Pratyaya as to Sanya. Tasil, Tasescha, Tral, At, Da, Tril, then Duna, Danim, Idanim, and all derived from Bajis Pratyaya. Idanim, Aduna, you will see all those sutras. Then Dyas, Ud, Ari, Samasan, Edyavi, Edyus, Thal, Tamu, Tha, Ete Sarve. 5326 is the sutra where tha is mentioned. Tha heto cha chandasi. Ete sarve vibhakti sanyam prapnuvanti by this sutra. Prag dishaha vibhakti. So this is a sanya sutra. Assigning sanya, vibhakti sanya to many pratyas. Pratyas in this range. Right? Understand? So these enjoy the sanya vibhakti. Prag dishaha vibhakti.
Okay.
Now, why these are vibhakti, given the vibhakti sanya? Kimartam etesham vibhakti sanya kriyate asya mukhyani trini prayojanaani. Three usefulness are there. Number one, it's sanya nishedaha. Vibhakti sanyam anusritya na vibhakto tusmaha. Do you remember the sutra?
Yes.
By that sutra, its sanya is negated to the takara, sakara, makara of the pratyas having the sanya vibhakti. Right? Eteshu pratyeshu upasthitanam antima varga tavarga tata sakara makaranam itsanyana bhavati. Now, danim one sutram is there. One pratyaya is there. Idanim, right? Danim. Now, if this is not given any vibhakti sanya, then what will happen to makara? It will be dropped. Therefore, you will not have the word idanim. Idanim, tadanim, right? That is why we need vibhakti sanya. By that, makara will not become therefore will not become lopaha. Idanim iti atra makara vastutah alantyam iti itanena itsanya syat. Parantu vibhakti sanya tasya pratishedah bhavati. Therefore, it will not enjoy its sanya. That is why this is given. This is the first prayojanam. Understand? This is number one. Number two, vibhakti visishtam angakaryam. That is also. Sutrapate kechana sthaleshu vibhakti pratyaya visishtam karyam patyate. What are they? Etat sarvam karyam eteshu pratyeshu pareshu api bhavati. Like kimaha kaha. Kimaha kaha we have seen. Remember kaka koke. In Subanta we have seen.
Yes.
Kim iti asya vibhakti pratyaya pare ka adesha bhavati. Right? This is a sutra where we saw in kimaha kaha kaka koke. How do we get?
Yeah, Kim
Kim
Shabdasya.
plus supratyaya is vibhakti sanya, therefore vibhakti pratyaya pare, Kim will be replaced by ka, therefore you get kas becomes kaha. Remember?
Okay. Yes.
Saka kauke kam kaukan. Similarly here, from kim we are going to derive an avyaya. Now we are adding the pratyaya, da pratyaya, tadita pratyaya. Because da enjoys vibhakti sanya, therefore vibhakti pratyaya pare kim shabdasya, kim will be replaced by ka, therefore ka plus da, you get the avyayam tada. If this doesn't enjoy vibhakti sanya, then adesha cannot happen, right? That is why vibhakti pratyaya sanya is required. This is number 2. It is angakarya. One is its sanya is negated. Second thing, angakaryam. Third, that is for swara, which is not required for us. Swara prakarane, kanchan vibhakti pratyana sati vishishtam swara vidanam kritam asti. Okay, some vibhakti pratyaya sanya, that the sanya, the swara, udata, etc. This is swara prakriya, that we can leave that. Okay, so this is the importance of having the vibhakti sanya. Now, asya sutra asya vishye kechana bhagatva purnaha bindavaha. Important points to be noted. Samarthanam pratamadva, the sutra would be saw. Samarthanam shabdanam pratama shabdat, this tadita pratyaya will come. Saityanena tadita adhikarasya magattavaha adhikaraha. Samartha adhikaraha purvasmin sutre amshataha samapyate. Asmat sutrat arabhya agre samarthanam pratamadva iti adhikaraha nasti. Yukti. From here, from this sutra onward, there is no samarthana adhikaram, it is over before. Ityukte, asma sutra arabhya, agre, prakrityarte, swarte eva pratyavidanam asti. Atra, sutre vidyamananam shabdanam, paraspara sambandaha na chintaniyaha, itaha, artha jnapaka sutrani na santi, kevalam pratyaya jnapak sutrani vidyante iti ashayaha. So the pratamanam, Savattanam Pratamadva, this sutram, which is read in Tadita Adhikara, 4176 is Tadita Adhikara, that is over before that, before this. After this Adhikara is not required. Because we don't have here two Shabdas and therefore Savartha, not that. Therefore here, Pratyaya Jnapaka Sutrani, these here, they are all Natu Artha Jnapaka Sutrani, Pratyaya Jnapaka Sutrani, that is sutras where the pratyas are added to the shabda in a particular sense. Swarte. Asma sutra tarabhya agre swarte eva pratyavidanam bhavati. Therefore, there is no paraspara sambandaha nasti shabdana madhyatra. So therefore, this adhikara doesn't apply. Number 1. Number 2, va iti asya adhikarahattu atrapi pasarati. Therefore, va means optionally. Forming tadita is option. Therefore, va that also comes here. So therefore, tadita rupam is optional. Number 3, vibhakti sanyakanam tadita pratyanam yojanena nirmitaha taditantaha taditascha asra vibhakti ityarena abhyasanya api bhavanti. Number 3, this is a third prayojanam. So vibhakti sanyakanam tadita pratyanam yojanena. So the tadita pratyaya which has a sanya vibhakti, that will result in avyayam. Number 3. These are the 3 points. Ekena udaharane prayaha spashti bhaveyu. Like for one example, it will become clear. Saptamyas tral. Saptamyarte tral pratyaya bhavati. Tral iti tadita pratyaya. Kasmin iti asmat. Saptami anta shabdat. Saptamyarte means kasmin. Saptami bhakti kasmin. For example, kasmin asya shabdasya arthaha tasmin arte swarte atra tal pratyaya vidiyate. Kasmin saptami bhakti. Tasmin arte eva, in that meaning. That meaning is saptami arte pratipadikaat tral pratyaya bhavati. Atra pratyayena kopi nutana arthaha na diyate. Unlike samarthanam pratamadva dasharati, from dasharata we get dasharati. It's a completely different word having different meaning. But here we don't get that like that. Nutana arthaha na diyate. Kasmin plus tral. Iti sthite agre prakriyam krutva, doing the prakriya, what are the steps? Kutra iti shabda siddhyati. Kasmin plus tral is equal to kutra. How kasmin becomes ku? We will see that all those later. Kasmin iti atra swarte eva tral pratyaya bhavati. In whatever meaning, kasmin is the in that meaning, tral pratyaya is added. So therefore kutra, we get the word kutra. Kutra is aviya. Tral is tadita pratyaya. So kasmin plus tral, we get the tadita anta shabda kutra. And kutra is therefore aviyam. Swarte tral pratyaya bhavati pratipadikaat. Kasmin iti asma shabda tral pratyaya vikalpena bhavati. Therefore kasmin also is okay. Kutra also is okay. Va. Therefore va coming as anuvritti, not samarthanam padanam. Va coming as anuvritti. Therefore kasmin is equal to kutra. Kutra is equal to kasmin. So iti yukte pratyayasya abhave, when pratyaya tral pratyaya is not added, then kasmin iti eva shabdaha bhavati. Api shabdayam prayoktam shakyate eva. So kutra can be used or kasmin can be used. The same meaning. Therefore we have optional usages. Then tral iti pratyanirmitaha avyasangaka bhavati, of course, because it is used in the particular taditasya astarva vibhaktihi. Therefore, it is avyayam. Tral pratyanta shabdaha avyayam bhavati. Therefore, all the three points, whatever he has said before, all the three are just given to one example. Number one, samarthanam prathamadva, that adhikara doesn't apply here, only va alone comes. Number 3, then taditasya astarva vibhaktihi, by that sutra will get avyayam. Okay. Then सूत्रे विद्यमानेन विभक्तिश्च इत्यानेन सूत्रं केवलं सुप्रत्ययानां तथा तिङ्प्रत्ययानां विभक्तिसंज्ञा भवति न हि तदितप्रत्ययानां परन्तु केषाञ्चन तदितप्रत्ययानां विभक्तिसंज्ञा विष्यते तेषां सङ्कलनम् अस्मिन् अधिकारे कृतम् अस्ति. Sutra 1404, what we saw before, that assigns vibhaktisangya only to sup and ting. By this sutra, some of the tadita pratyayas are assigned the sangya vibhaktihi. Okay, then therefore vibhakti sangya is important, because of which two sakara and nakara will not enjoy vibhakti sangya. Therefore it will not enjoy its sangya. Therefore it will not become lopaha. That is the significance. Prag dishaha vibhakti. So this we need to note. Okay. So therefore the application of this sangya to the pratyayas is to negate its sangya. Right? Understand? And also because it is not, therefore we can apply the sutras like 7 to Kimaha Kaha, 7 to 84, what we saw. Ashtanam avibhakto, this is a section. Vibhakti sangye pratyaye pare, some karyam will happen. All those things we have seen before. Vibhakti pratyaye pare, ashtan shabdasya akara adeshaha, vibhakto coming as anuvati, rayo hali. This is the place, the sutra pata, if you see, vibhakto coming as anuvritti from that sutra, that is 7 to 84 onwards. Those are the Angakarya section. I'm sure you would have forgotten that, but anyway, you can just see 7 to 84. 7 to just 7 to starts here. 7 to 84. Ashtana avibhakto. So vibhakto, the word going as anuvritti up to 113. So this is the place where the Angakarya happening because of the vibhakti pratyaya, following vibhakti pratyaya, 113, ali lopaha. So by assigning vibhakti sangya, the Angakarya, these Angakaryas can be accomplished. So that is why vibhakti sangya is given to the tadita pratyaya. But two important reasons. One important reason is not to give it sangya to sakara, makara, and tavarga. Second thing is to accomplish the Angakarya, which are listed in this range, 7 to 84 to 7 to 113. I will write in my notes later, just to note this. Okay. The class, if I type, it will take time. You follow what I'm saying? Is it clear? 531.
Yes.
Yes, Ji.
Yes, Ji.
So Pragdisho Vivaktihi. Now this list, you remember, we'll follow the list one by one. Parikaranam. First one is Tasiladaya Prag Pashapaha. So here we have seen 531. 531 defines Vivakti Sanya to Tatadita Pratyas. Right? Then 537 to 5346, the sutras in this range you will see, and now the Taditanta Avyasanya Shabdas are derived. That we will see. Now, 531 is important because assigns Vibhakti Sanya. That we have seen. Number 2, second sutra, 532. Here you can see Kim Sarvanama Bhagubhyaha Advayadibhyaha Kim Shabda. Sarvanama is, what is Sarvanama? Sarvanama is
Pronoun.
Gana, right? Sarvanama. Then Bhagubhyaha, Bhagu.
Tad. Others.
Sarvanama is Sarvanama Shabda. Sarva, Vishwa, Ubha, Ubhaya, lot of words are there, right? Then Dvi Adibhyaha Advaya.
Sarvadigana.
Here that is not Advaya, okay. Dvi Yadibhyaha, na Dvi Adibhyaha. It's a nudge of negating Dvi, etc. You will see that. Now, Sarvadigane Vidyamanaha Sarva iti Asmat Arabhya Eka iti Yavat Shabdaha. Now, Sarvadigana you see. Sarvadigana is in Sarvanama Shabda we have seen. Sarvadi. Starting from Sarva iti Asmat Arabhya up to what? Paryantam? Eka.
Eka.
Where is Eka? Here. Up to here. All these words. Then what about Dvi? Dvi excluded. Dvi, Adibhyaha, right? That's what Nanj. Dvi, etc. Dvi, then Yushmata, Asmata, Bhavatu, Kim, they are excluded. Right?
Okay.
That is why we have So, Sarvadigare Vidyamanaha, Sarva iti Asmadarabhya, Eka iti Shabdaha, Yavat Shabda Vartante, that is number 1. Then Bhagu Shabda, then Kim Shabda. Of course, Kim is there in the beginning. Right? Shabdaha Pragdishya Vibhakti Pratyayan Prapnuvanti. These Shabdas will take Vibhakti Pratyayas. Pragdishya means before Prag.
Before.
Before there is 5340, 5326, sorry. Pragdishya. I mean, these will get Vibhakti Pratyayas. Vibhakti Sanyaka Pratyaha Kebhyaha Pratipadikebhyaha Vidiyante. So, the previous sutra we saw Prag Disha Vibhakti. Vibhakti Sanya defined for the Pratyas which are in the range 531 to 26. Now, those Pratyas will come for what Pratipadikam? That is answered by this, given by the sutra. Kebhyaha Vidiyante iti Yanena Sutrena Spashti Kriyate. Now, for example, Atra Upasitan Shabdan Kramena Pashyamaha. Yes, we will see. Advayadibhyaha, Sarvanamebhyaha. Therefore, among the Sarvanama Gana, excluding Dvi, Yushmada, Asmat, and Bhavatu, and Kim. Kim is excluded, sorry. Kim is there in the beginning, right? Only these 4 Shabdas are excluded. Dvi, Yushmad, Asmat, Bhavatu. Kim is there in the very beginning. Okay. That is included. Okay. Don't exclude Kim. So, Anena Sutrena, Sarva Nama Shabda Namavali Diyate. Yameva Avali, Sarvadigana, Ganaha Namna Nyayate. What are they? Sarva, Vishwa, Ubha, Ubhaya. All these are Sarvanama Shabda. But Asyam Avalyam, in this list, Dvi iti yavat Sarvanama Vartate, Tasmat Arabhya, Asya Ganasya, Anta Paryantam Ye Shabdaha Patyante. All these are excluded. Dvi, Yushmata, Asmata, Bhavatu, Kim, iti etesham sarvesham vyadaya iti anena sutra nirdeshakೃತः अस्ति. एतान् vyadin vihaya sarvadiganasya अन्ये शब्दाः vibhakti sanyakan tadita pratyan praptum arhanti. So these shabdas will get the vibhakti pratyaya. Now, first let's take Kim Shabda. He himself has explained. Kim iti ayam sarvanama shabdaha yadyapi dvayadigane vidyate tatapi tasmad vibhakti sanyaha tadita pratyaha bhavitum arganti. Even though here from Dvi onwards it is not be said, but in the sutra Kim is mentioned. Therefore, Kim is excluded. In the negation, Kim is excluded. It means Kim is included. Kim Shabda and Sarvanama Shabda, all is Sarvanama Shabda excepting Dvi, Ishmat, Asmat, Bhavatu. So only 4 Shabdas. And Bhagu Shabda, these will take Vivakti Pratyaya. Okay. Then Bhagu Asma Shabda Tapi Vivakti Sangika Pratyaha Bhavitum Arganti. Now, Ataha Asya Sutra is Sampurnataha Kim Shabda Bhagu Etabhyam Shabdabhyam Tatacha Sarvadigane Vidyamanebhyaha Parantu Dvayadigane Avidymanebhyah Shabdebhyaha Vibhakti Sangakaha Tadita Pratyaha Bhavitum Arganti. So Kim Shabda, Bhagu Shabda, and all the words of the Sarvadigana except Ji, Ishmat, Asmat, and Bhavatu, excepting these 4. All these will take Tadita Pratyaya. Tadita Pratyaya, Vibhakti Sangaka, Tadita Pratyaya. Now let us see example. For example, Tasil Pratyaya. Tasil, in which sutra it is there? Yes, we saw Tasil. Tasischa. Tasil Pratyaya, which is Tasil, which is in 54532. Atra 100. Five three seven. That is 537. Okay. Yeah, 537. Tasil Pratyaha Vidiyante. Okay. Tadita Pratyaha, Vivakti Sangakaha, Tadita Pratyaha Bhavitum Ita. For example, Kim Shabda, Kim plus Tasil. Content of Tasil is Lakara is it and he is it. Therefore, Tas, Kim plus Tas. Tas is Vivakti. Tas enjoys Vivakti Sangya. Therefore, Kim is replaced by Ku. Therefore, Kutaha you get. Similarly, Bhagu plus Tasil, Bhagutaha, Sarva plus Tasil, Sarvataha. Okay. This Tasil Pratyaya by the Sutra 537. 537 and Pragdisha Vibhakti by that 5312, 5326 enjoy Vibhakti Sangya. And 537 is Tasil Pratyaya. Therefore, Tasil Pratyaya enjoys what Sangya? Vibhakti Sangya. It's a Tadita Pratyaya enjoying Vibhakti Sangya, right? Therefore, because the Tadita Pratyaya follows and it has a Vibhakti Sangya, therefore, Kim can be replaced by appropriate Adesha. Whatever Adesha is given in the section, 7.2 section. Kimaha Kaha, from there you can see here. Kuti ho ho. Kuti ho ho by that sutra. That is, when Sakaradi Pratyaya follows, Kim will be replaced by Ku. Therefore, Kim plus Tasil is equal to Kim will be replaced by Ku. Content of Tasil is Taha. Therefore, Kutaha you get. You follow? Yes.
Yes,
So,
teacher.
you can see the sutra. Kuti. Oh, that is Ku will be the Adesha. Kuti ho. Yeah. Ku will be Adesha when it is followed by Takaradi Pratyaya. Takarado, Hakarado, Vibhakti Pratyaya pare. So here the condition is the Pratyaya should enjoy Vibhakti Sangya. And Vibhakti Sangya and Vibhakti Pratyaya beginning with Takara, Akara, then Kim will be replaced by Ku. Therefore, this is Angakarya. So this Angakarya is accomplished by assigning the Pratyaya Vibhakti Sangya. So Tatsal is Vibhakti Sangika Pratyaya and Tadita Pratyaya. Therefore, Kim plus Tasil. Therefore, by the Sutra 72104, Kim will be replaced by Ku. Therefore, Kutaha you get. therefore kutah is kasma, tasil pratyaya. Panchamyarte. Tasil pratyaya in what sense added? That is given by the next sutra. Panchamya 537. Panchamyas tasil. Panchamyarte tasil pratyaya bhavati. We will see that. Okay. Little later.
So only for Tasil Pratyaya only it changes to
Panchami.
ku, not
Yeah.
Takara, no? Takaradi.
Any takaradi pratyaya. This
Oh,
sutra
okay.
is any takaradi pratyaya. So in Tadita section, we have to find out what are the takaradi pratyayas. If it
But
isn't, it will change.
it should be Vibhakti Pratyaya.
It should be Vibhakti. Vibhakti pratyaya is assigned by Ragdisha Vibhakti. That is up to 5.3.26. All the pratyayas will have Vibhakti Sangika pratyaya.
Oh, okay.
So therefore, when the Vibhakti Sangika pratyaya follows, then this Kim, Sarvanama, etc., this will undergo change. Therefore, Bhagu also. Bhagu, okay, Bhagu is no change happens. Therefore, Bhagu plus Tasil, Bhagutaha. No sutras are there which can bring about a change here. So similarly, Sarva, what will happen? Sarva plus Tasil, Sarvataha. Here also no change happened to the Sarva. So this sutra lists out Kim, Sarvanama, Bhagu. The Shabdas will take Vibhakti Sangika Pratyaya. Sarva Shabda taking the Vibhakti Sangika Pratyaya, Tasil Pratyaya, and the form would be Sarvataha. Bhagu Shabda taking the Tasil Pratyaya, and the form would be Bhagutaha. Kim Pratyaya, Kim Shabda taking the Pratyaya, Vibhakti Sangika Pratyaya, Tasil Pratyaya, the form is Kutaha. Here Angakarya happens in addition. Here they don't happen because there are no sutras. Whereas Kim Shabda, we have a sutra, Kuti Hoho, by that Kutaha you get. This is one example. Vibhakti Sangika Pratyaya, Tasil, when we add to Kim, and Kim is one given here, and one example, Sarvanama Shabda, Sarva itself is given, and Bhagu Shabda. So three words are there, three examples for the Tasil Pratyaya. Similarly, Ta. Ta is another Pratyaya, which is there in this range, that is 531 to 5326. Unfortunately, I'm not the website. I mean, this Sutra Pata is not there. That's why every time you have to go and see. Ta Pratyaya. Ta is in 5326. Ta heto cha chandasi. This is the Pratyaya, Ta Pratyaya, Tadita Pratyaya. Enjoying the Sanya, Vibhakti Sanya. Now see the example. Yad plus Ta, we get Yatha.
Yeah.
Tad plus Ta, Tata. Sarva plus Ta, Tata. Now Yad plus Ta, Yad become Ya. How does it become Yad plus Ya? You have to see the section 7 to section. Like Yat Shabda becomes Yagayo, Ye, Yam, Yo, Yan. Somewhere it is there. So you have to find what is that Yad. We will see that a little later. That is how it becomes Yad. Which sutra you have to find out. Yad, the Dakara becomes Lopaha. Therefore, Ya you get. You get Yata. Sutra is, okay, let me tell you. It's Sutra 5.320. We are going to see that those sutras in detail, but by which sutra the Dakara becomes Lopaha. Yad plus Ta, you get Yatha. So is 5.320. Or let us see 5.327. Ta heto chandasi, here is given. The two. Yad plus Ta, Yatha. Dakarasya Lopaha Katam Bhavati. Yad getting Yakaradesha, Vivakti Pratyaya Pare, Yad Shabdasya Yakaradesha. And tad is replaced with ta. Oh, I think this tad also tadoho saha anantyoho by that sutra. In this, it is in this Angakarya. Here you have to find out. Yaha sau, not yaha sau. Yaha idai pumsi. Here in Angakarya, here what sutra you have to find out. I will check that. Okay. Or yad becomes, yeah.
That we saw in Tedadinam Gana, no?
Yadadinam, I think Yadadinam aha, I think that will apply, right?
Yeah,
Yes, I
that's
think
what
so.
we saw
Yeah.
in Yad Shabda.
Yeah, that's right. Yadadinam aha. Yeah, by that sutra, that will become yaha. Yes. Yadadinam aha. Number is Yadadi. Yeah. Yadadinam aha. That is a sutra, sorry, yes. Yadadi ganeti shabdana vibhakti pratyaya pare. Yes, this is sutra. Yeah. Akara adesh bhavati. Yes, good. So dakara will be replaced by akara. Therefore, a plus a ato gune. Therefore, ya you get. Therefore, ya plus tha yatha. This is a sutra. Okay. Yes. Tyad become tya. So only tad become ta. Yad becomes ya. This is a sutra. Yes. Yadadi now aha. Okay. So for yad plus tha yatha. Tad plus tha tatha. Sarva plus tha sarvatha. And ha is another pratyaya, which is in this range. Where is that pratyaya? Which is in 5, 1, 5, 3. You can take 5, 3, 26. Il is there, and ha is another pratyaya, not here. Idamo aha. Okay, 5, 3, 21. Ha pratyaya. So idam plus ha. Idam will be replaced by e. This also we have the sutra in 7.3 section. 7.3 we have idamaha, idamo maha. I think this is the one. So by that we get idam plus ha, you get idam is replaced by e, and therefore you get ha, idamaha. Okay, this is idamaha. Maybe idamo hill. That is later. Just a minute.
Idamo Maha, one more sutra is there.
So
7
idam,
to 1.
okay. Here is not given elaborative. You will see that in detail. But here I just I'll type and show you how that iha comes from idam shabda. Idam idamaha. If you see the sutra, the 5311 sutra number is 5311.
Idamo Maha, that is.
Yeah, 5311. Idam shabda will take Saptami Vibhakti anta swarte. So idam Saptami Vibhakti. Idam Saptami Vibhakti pratyaya is idam plus ni.
Ni.
What is the Saptami of idam plus ni in Pullinga, for example?
Ni. Yeah.
Idam plus ni is idam shabda Saptami Vibhakti is asmin, right? Idam plus ni becomes asmin, right?
Yes.
Asmin anayoho
Yes.
yeshu.
Yeshu.
Asyam anayoho asu, like that, right? Strilinge.
Yeah.
Idam plus ni. Saptamyarte idam shabdasya shabdena ha pratyaya bhavati. A is by 5311. Now this will become, what will happen? Supadhatu pratipadike or look, ni will go away. Therefore, idam plus ha. That's what he has given. Idam plus a. Now what will happen? Idam plus a. Idam plus a. Idam will be idam plus a. Idam will be replaced by
E.
Idam will be replaced by E by the rule. Then you get Iha. Idam will be Idam will be replaced by E by the sutra, which is 533. You see the sutra 533. 533. Idamaha ish, yes. Idam will be replaced by ish. This is a sutra. Idam shabdasya pragdisha vikti pratyaya pare ish adesh bhavati. So ish is shakara is italatam. Okay. So therefore it is idamaha. Here is given. Okay. Idamo aha. Idam plus a idamaha ish adyatena anena ikaraha adesha bhavati idam shabdasya. Therefore e plus a iha you get. So asmin narte. Asmin is iha is equal to asmin. Saptam narte ha pratyaya विभक्ति संज्ञा का तदित प्रत्ययः इदं शब्दात् सप्तम्यन्तात् भवति. Therefore idamo aha by that sutra vibhakti pratyaya pare this ha is vibhakti pratyaya. Therefore idam is replaced by e. Idamaha ish. This is a sutra. Therefore you get iha. Right? Anekal shit sarvasya. That is why shakara is paribhasha. Remember?
Yes.
Anekal shit sarvasya. Pratyaya having shakara will replace here because here sthani is anekal. Adesha is only e. Shitvat sarvasya sthane. Otherwise makara alone will be replaced, right?
Yeah.
Anekal shit sarvasya by that paribhasha, the entire idam is replaced by e. Therefore iha you get. This is from idam asmin arte. Idam shabdasya. Saptami arte ha pratyaya bhavati iha. Iha is equal to asmin, right? Iha asmin same meaning. Va. That's why samartanam padanam samartanam pratamana will not come. Va comes. Idam plus ni is equal to asmin arasyam, and we have equivalent abhiya rupam iha. Right? Okay, I think we'll stop here. This is only introduction. All the sutras we will see in detail. This is the second sutra just we are seeing. So many other sutras. So there are many sutras in this Tadita section. So that will cover all the abhyaya related. So we will see that. Okay. As I said, the sutras are many, pratyas are many, prakriya is simple. So these are the list of these sutras, the range of sutras will give you tadita, pratyanta, tadita sangika abhyayam, tadita rupa abhyayam. Okay, this we will see one by one.
So this book is there from Samskrita Bharati, like initial stages of Taditas.
Book is that? What book?
Any simple book.
You're asking me, huh?
Yeah, yes.
Oh, okay. I have no books. Okay. Tadita, we have to write.
Okay.
But you follow, right? This is, we are seeing only abhyayam. We are not seeing the Tadita, only abhyayam of the Tadita. So this will be a good introduction to Tadita itself. Okay, 5-3 section we will cover almost all. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवाद
Dhanyawada.
Please go through that, otherwise you will not understand later. Next you will not remember anything. Just go through, or I will send you the notes. We have not, in fact, not seen much, just introduction only. And when we see each one, we will see elaborately all the sutras. I will write the steps. Okay.
Yes,
First, you can have some idea. Vibhakti Sanya, Tadita, what are the Tadita Pratyas in this range? And the sutra is also important. I mean, the range. Samartanam Pratamadva, important sutra, regard Tadita. That is not required for Abhyaya, number one. Vibhakti Sanya is important. Why it is important that we have seen Angakarya and for not giving the Sanya yit, etc. So these points you can remember.
Yes, Ji.
Dhanyavada.
Yeah. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ Ji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.